What's going on, fellas? Got something new. It's fragile, and according to this, made in Vietnam. When you open the box, this is hopefully what you'll find. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this tape back and get everything out. And next time you see me, it'll all be on the table. I did notice this. I don't know if this is 252 as in 252 made, or if it's just a number. But that's what we're working with. See you in a minute. Okay, so we got a little in-between stage here while I've been taking it apart. I was just tearing into it, and then I decided some of you may like to see this. Props to Motion. This thing was packed very, very well. And I have to say too, bears repeating, take your time taking this thing apart. There's lots of opportunities to pierce that coat. I haven't yet, I don't plan to. But there's just lots of tape, and use a sharp blade. This is how she comes. It does have this plastic wrapping. I already took it off this one. It's just the bubble wrap now. But yeah, here we are. The bottom box has the wings, it looks like, and I guess some of the control surfaces. You get a box that has some gas tanks, wheels, various things. We'll dig into that. And then there's several pieces. The cowls are in here. This is 2 boxes. I just kind of set them in here. But the cowls, and it looks like the end piece for the fuselage, and a few others. And here's our little pilot. And I actually found a gentleman that makes realistic looking Bronco pilots for about 30 bucks a piece. So I ordered a few of those. So this little fella will find life somewhere else, or not. So anyway, guys, we're chugging. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to stop it right here for now. But I wanted to show off the fuselage and the booms. We're getting there. Just little pieces left, but I want to start this build in the next few days. I'm kind of forcing myself. It's on the kitchen table, and if I want a table back, I'm gonna have to finish this thing. So anyway, these look excellent, guys. No issues so far that I've seen. I don't think there will be any. It came in great shape. It's an ARF, but man, am I glad I didn't have to build that kind of stuff. There's a few little edges I want to clean up in there, but really looks great. Monocoat looks good, and I was surprised by the weight. It's very, very light, so I think even on electric, this thing's gonna fly just great. One other cool thing, the cockpit's detailed. Like the gauges are there. Those little pilots I ordered are gonna look awesome. So yeah, guys, for under $500, it's a heck of a deal, I think. With all the motors, like everything, all said and done, I think I'll be $1,100 into this. So it's not a small chunk of change, but I feel like for what you get, that's a good value. And I will be going electric. So yeah, I'm excited, fellas. I'll see you soon.